Okay, now I discussed about this incredible feature called Touch Macro on Samsung Galaxy phones. This is available on one of the GoodLock modules called Routines Plus. Using this amazing feature, we will be able to create some automated tasks on the phone. And when I posted this video, I saw many different comments in the comment section. Many of you guys shared your thoughts. Some of you said it is a fantastic feature which can be used in different ways. And some of you also said it's a useless feature. And I also saw a couple of comments where you guys actually shared how you use this particular feature on your Galaxy phones. So I thought, why not make a video and show you guys how you can use this particular feature. Maybe after you watch this video, your thoughts would change. Before we go ahead, if you're interested in this particular wallpaper here, I have left a link for that in the description. You can go ahead and check it out and download the wallpaper if you like it. Each of my previous videos have got brand new wallpaper, so if you're interested, you can go ahead and download them. Now let's go ahead. Now you see on the top of my home screen, I have set a few touch macro which is already set up on my phone. I set different icons for them. I have also set the names for these touch macros. Whenever I tap on them, it will get activated. Now let me activate the first touch macro here. I'll just tap on this. You see it opens the Gmail application. I have selected an email ID here. It's typing the email ID and selecting that particular email ID here. Now it will compose the content. You see I'm typing logging off for the day. The mail has been sent. Now this is completely automated. It's even going to the home screen now. Just by tapping on this particular button here on the home screen, the mail has been sent. It's completely automated. I did not really have to do anything. All I need to do was just one tap. Now you may ask, why should you do that? You can schedule an email inside the Gmail application itself. Yes, we can do that, but scheduling an email is for a particular time. Scheduling it every day is also a task. So if you want to send a standard email to somebody every day automatically, then all you can do is set a touch macro. Now this is just an example. I'm not telling you that this is how you can use it. This example will tell you how exactly you can start using a touch macro on your Galaxy phone. This is just one of the examples to automate a task on your Samsung Galaxy phone using the touch macro. Now before we move on to the second example, let me clarify what exactly a touch macro is. A touch macro typically refers to a sequence of touch actions such as taps, swipes or gestures that can be recorded and played back automatically. This can be used for automating repetitive tasks or demonstrating specific interactions in an application or in a game. Now we already saw how we can automate an email on the phone. By just tapping on one button, the entire mail can be composed, the recipient can be selected, and we'll be able to send that mail without having to do anything by our own. That is the first one. Now let's move on to the second example. Now this was shared by one of the viewers. He shared how exactly he uses touch macro. I have already created the touch macro here. Let me just tap on this. You see it starts, it opens the messaging application and it selects a recipient here to which I want to send a message. It's composing the message that I have already set. And it has just sent that message. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Of course, I can schedule a message inside the application, but you cannot really keep scheduling it for different times every day. By just a tap on this button, the message has been composed and sent to a particular recipient. Again, it's just an example. If you want to let somebody in your family know that you reached home every day at different times, then you can automate this message on the phone. Now, the next touch macro I have set up is casting my phone to the TV automatically. Now, let me tap on this third one here. This is named as cast. I will just tap on this. You see the macro is running now. It opens up the quick panel and it taps on this smart view and it connects to the recently connected TV without me having to do anything. You see the screen mirroring is now on. The phone has been connected to the TV. So I don't really have to do all this task. If I frequently connect my phone to the TV, I don't have to open the quick panel, then select the smart view and then select the TV here. All I can do is just tap on cast to automatically connect to the TV. Next, I have set up another touch macro to connect my Galaxy Fit 3 automatically because I will be wearing the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic when I go to work, and when I come back home, for a better comfort, I use the Galaxy Fit 3. So for this, I don't want to open the wearable application and then connect to the watch every day. All I want to do is just tap on this button. It opens up the wearable application. It goes to the menu and it selects the Fit 3. You see the Fit 3 is getting connected. And here it is. Pretty cool, isn't it? The watch is getting connected automatically, and I'm going to save at least about 3 to 4 steps to connect my watch by using touch macro feature. Now the last touch macro I have created is for the YouTube application. Now I have got a couple of accounts on YouTube. One is a premium account and one is a non-premium account. The non-premium one is for the channel account, and I have created a premium account for my personal use. Whenever I open the YouTube application, it will either be on the personal account or on my other YouTube account, and I want to be able to switch them quickly without taking multiple steps. For this, I've created a touch macro here. Let me just tap on this. You see it opens the YouTube account and it goes to the profile. It's selecting the second account. Now my premium account has been selected. You see this is my other account which is automatically selected, and if I want to continue using this account I can use it, or I can just go back and tap on this macro again. It will open up the account and it will switch back to my other account in a jiffy without any issues. Now this is again very comfortable for me. I am avoiding at least about 2 to 3 steps to switch my accounts using touch macro. Amazing, isn't it? Now again, I want to reiterate that these are just the examples. I'm not saying that this is how you should be using touch macro. It completely depends on you how you want to automate your device. You can set it up the way you want. I'm just showing you some of the examples in this video so that you understand how this whole thing works. Now, if you want to know step-by-step guide for creating touch macros, I have explained that in my previous video. You can go ahead and check the link in the description. That's a very important video in which I have explained how the touch macro works, a few other features on Routines Plus modules for exporting your Bixby routines, importing it, saving it, and there are a couple of more features which you should know. So go ahead and check that video. Now, if you want to know how did I set up these icons here or these widgets here, let me just quickly show you that. All you need to do is just press and hold on the home screen, tap on widgets, search for a routines widget. You see we have got modes and routines widget here. Now this is where you can add a particular routine. I'll just press and hold on this and add it here to the home screen. Now you see if you have already created the routines, it will show up right here. All you can do is just select a particular routine. Now let me just select this one. You see it gets added. Now if you want to change the icon or if you want to rename it, all you can do is just press and hold on it, tap on settings, and here tap on details. Now here just tap on edit and tap on this icon over here. You see this is where you can rename it, and you can select the icon you want, or you want to change the color of the icon, you can change it. You can customize it the way you want. That's how we edit these routines. That's how we add the touch macro icons or let's say widgets on the home screen in just a few steps. Now you let me know whether you have used touch macro on your Galaxy phone or not. If you're using it, do share your use case scenarios in the comment section. It's going to be very interesting. It will help the community, and it will also help me to understand how exactly you are using it. That's all I want to share with you guys. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. I would really appreciate that. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead, subscribe and become a part of Apex community to know your phone better. That's about it. Thanks for watching. My name is Salyan, signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.